Welcome. Here's a quick guide to using the family dashboard in the TimelyBills app. Let's dive in. If you haven't set up your family group yet, just tap the I button for a step-by-step guide on how to set it up. Once you've set up your family group, the app will ask you to sign in again to access the family dashboard. After that, you'll notice a toggle at the top right corner of the dashboard. Use it to switch between family mode and personal mode. In family mode, the dashboard is your hub for family finances, featuring cards for budget, expenses, bills, cash flow, and more. Let's start with the budget card. This card shows two key details at a glance: your overall monthly budget progress and the contributions of your family members to the budget. Next up is the expenses card. This provides a summary of your family's overall expenses, showing the top spending categories and how much each family member contributed. Now, let's look at the bills card. This card combines all your bills into a single view, showing upcoming, overdue, and paid bills in clear numbers. These details are also visualized in a donut pie chart. Just like the expenses card, you'll find actionable alerts at the bottom of the bills card. Swipe left to see the total bills you're going to pay each month for the next 6 months. Next up is cash flow card. This provides a quick look at your family's current month's cash flow. It includes your total income, total expenses, and the contribution of each family member to the overall finances. This card helps you track how money flows in and out of your family's accounts, giving you a clear picture of your financial health. Beyond these key cards, the family dashboard offers even more tools, like an accounts card to track your balances and a money tips card for helpful financial advice. You can also customize your dashboard, hide or show any card you want, and rearrange their order to suit your preferences. That's the family dashboard in TimelyBills, your go-to tool for managing family finances effortlessly. We hope this guide helps you make the most of it. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips on TimelyBills. Happy budgeting!